Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with these Moto Metal Razors 978s in a gloss black and milled finish in these 37 1350 R20 Toyo Open Country RT tires. Now these Moto Metals, they're offered in a couple different sizes, a 17, 18, 20, and 22 inch wheel, and they're offered in the gloss black, a satin black, and a satin black with a machined red mill. So the red ones would be where all of the silver is at. It's a good looking wheel. It's a very edgy wheel. So it's pretty hip with the times. It's an up-to-date wheel, and it's for sure to get a lot of looks because there's not a lot like it. These Toyo Open Country RT tires, I love them. They're a hybrid tire. So it's got the tread pattern of an all-terrain, but the depth of a mud terrain. They're very aggressive, however they handle phenomenally. I would highly recommend these tires on a Jeep or a truck. Either or, they look great, they handle well, and they're still aggressive. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want these tires and wheels, or maybe a lift kit, or some fender flares, or some running boards, or anything like that, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.